Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix error code CE-36244-9 on your PlayStation 4. This error typically means that downloaded content, like a game or an update, has become corrupted. It can be quite frustrating when you're trying to enjoy your favorite titles. Don't worry, we'll walk through several straightforward steps to get your console back on track and resolve this issue. Let's begin with the simplest solutions. First, completely power off your PlayStation 4, waiting about 1 minute before turning it back on. Once it's restarted, navigate to your notifications and try restarting the problematic download. Sometimes, a quick reboot and a fresh download attempt can resolve minor data corruption or temporary network glitches, getting you back into your game in just a few moments. If a simple restart doesn't work, rebuilding your console's database is often the next best step. Power off your PlayStation 4 completely, then press and hold the power button until you hear 2 beeps to enter safe mode. Connect your controller with a USB cable, then select Rebuild Database. This option reorganizes your hard drive, improving performance and fixing corrupted files without deleting any of your games or saved data. It usually takes a few minutes to complete. If the error persists, let's look at your network and storage. Verify your internet connection is stable. An unstable connection can corrupt downloads. You might also try changing your DNS server settings to a public one, like Google's, which are 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4. Also, confirm you have at least 50 gigabytes of free storage. If all else fails, a quick initialization of your PlayStation 4 can resolve deeper system issues. But remember, this deletes all user data.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.